For the best price, click the link in the description. We've all been there, struggling to get a good night's sleep on our old mattress. But what if I told you that there's a solution out there that can change everything? Introducing the Simmons SD1250, a game-changing mattress designed to provide unparalleled comfort and support for a restful night's sleep. But here's what surprised me: this mattress has been getting rave reviews from customers who claim it's transformed their lives. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into what makes the Simmons SD1250 so special. With its cutting-edge technology, this mattress uses advanced materials to provide optimal support and pressure relief. Therefore, you'll be sleeping on a cloud, literally. But wait, there's more. This mattress also comes with a range of impressive features that set it apart from the competition. You might be wondering what makes the Simmons SD1250 so different from other mattresses out there. Well, let me tell you, it's not just about the technology, it's about the people behind it. The team at Simmons has spent years perfecting their craft to create a product that truly meets the needs of its customers. Therefore, you can trust that this mattress is made with love and care. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some of the satisfied customers who have experienced the Simmons SD1250 firsthand. But what about the price? Isn't this going to break the bank? Not necessarily. While it may seem like an investment upfront, think about all the money you'll save on medical bills and lost productivity due to poor sleep. Therefore, this mattress is a sound financial decision in the long run. And don't forget, for the best price, click the link in the description. Now that we've established the Simmons SD1250's impressive credentials, let's take a closer look at its features and benefits. With its advanced technology and high-quality materials, this mattress provides unparalleled comfort and support for a restful night's sleep. But what about durability? Can it withstand the test of time? Therefore, I'll give you an inside scoop on the Simmons SD1250's secret to longevity. It all comes down to its innovative design and top-notch construction. With features like cooling gel and breathable materials, this mattress stays cool in the summer and warm in the winter. But wait, there's more. It also has a built-in warranty that covers you for years to come. You might be wondering how this mattress can possibly live up to all these promises. The truth is, it's not just about the technology, it's about the people behind it. The team at Simmons has spent years perfecting their craft to create a product that truly meets the needs of its customers. Therefore, you can trust that this mattress is made with love and care. But don't wait any longer, order now and start sleeping better tonight. But what about customer service? What happens if I have an issue with my mattress? Don't worry, Simmons has got you covered. With their dedicated customer support team, you'll be just a phone call away from resolving any issues that may arise. Therefore, let's talk about the elephant in the room: the price. Is it worth the investment? Absolutely. Think about all the benefits you'll get from this mattress: improved sleep quality, increased energy levels, and reduced stress. Therefore, it's a no-brainer when you consider the long-term savings. And don't forget, for the best price, click the link in the description. In conclusion, the Simmons SD1250 is more than just a mattress. It's an investment in your health and well-being. With its cutting-edge technology, high-quality materials, and impressive features, this mattress truly stands out from the competition. Therefore, if you're looking for a solution to your sleep problems, look no further than the Simmons SD1250. Call to action: for the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description.